Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow aubergines. Before sowing your aubergine seeds, it's really important to think about where you're going to grow them on. You'll need a warm, sunny windowsill or a greenhouse. It's best to grow aubergines in February or March because they need a nice long growing season in order to produce fruits. Aubergine seedlings will take around 7 to 21 days to germinate. Then they will grow slowly until around April. Once the last frost has passed, you can move them into a greenhouse if you have one, or just continue to grow on your sunny windowsill. When sowing aubergine seeds, you can do it one of two ways. You can use pots full of seed sowing compost, or you can use these compost discs. I start off most of my seedlings in these compost discs because aubergines especially are really slow growing, and if you've got lots of different plants on your windowsill germinating, it can take up a lot of space. But with these compost discs, they're really tiny. These are the 30mm ones and they don't take up much space at all. To start off aubergine seeds, you will need your pots full of compost or these compost discs. You'll need some water to hydrate them. Then you will need your aubergine seeds. These are Black Beauty. You will also need a propagator lid, or I'm using a sandwich bag to create a really nice warm humid environment, and you'll need a container to put them in if you're starting with compost discs. So I'm just using this old sweet container, but fruit punnets work really well. So to hydrate your compost discs, you just need to pour over some water. You might have to do this a few times until they've fully expanded. Once your compost discs have expanded, I'm just going to sow one seed per compost discs around 0.5 centimetres deep. Next, pop a label inside your seed tray. Then place a propagator lid over the top or a sandwich bag. I've then made some holes inside the top of the bag to allow ventilation. And finally, place your seed tray on a nice warm windowsill for them to germinate. They need it at around 20 degrees. In a few weeks' time, your seeds should have germinated and should look like this, and then you can take off the plastic bag or propagator lid and grow on until the spring.